Good day, everyone. Welcome to Update Community. Today, I'll be introducing an AI to you. This AI is very good for creating pictures. For those of you that are into content creating and video editing, if you need an AI that can create unlimited pictures, images for you that you use for your video, then this AI is for you. The name of this AI is Whisk AI. Whisk AI. Whisk AI. This AI is very good. It creates unlimited videos, images for your video, and the images are top notch. These are the templates, images that are already here, created by this particular AI. Without wasting much time, I will take you to the business of the day. So I've already logged in. As you can see, this is my email. But if you are going to log in as a new person, as a new user, you need to log in with your email or create an account with it. Mind you, everything about creating images on this AI is free. You don't need to make any payment to create any image or to generate any image. After logging in with your email address, the next thing you need to do is to click on my library and wait for it to load. After it has successfully loaded, you will create a new project. This is the project I've created already, but for the sake of this video, you create a new project. Click on create a new project. Once it opens, what you need to do is to type your prompt, how you want your video to appear. As you can see, an instruction has been given, a place folder has been written here. Describe your idea or roll the dice for prompt ideas. So now we're going to describe our idea. So our idea is a young man standing by the road side, talking to a cab driver in a car parked in his front, parked at his front, at his front. So now this is our prompt. A young man standing by the roadside talking to a cab driver in a car parked at his front. So after writing the prompt, we click on the continue button for it to generate our picture. So what it does is it is going to generate two different pictures for you. After generating the pictures, you are required to choose the one that you like. If the both pictures are not okay with you, you still compare it to edit the pictures. So now it has generated two pictures. This is one. This is the young man talking to a cab driver, and this is the second one. of a young man talking to a cab driver. So now you are left with two pictures. It is your wish to decide which one you are going to use. So if I was going to use, wanted to create a video, I would decide to go with this one. But it all depends on what you want to create and how you want your videos to look like. Mind you, the name of this AI is Whisk AI, and I've carried out a research and I've discovered that of most of this AI, just like Gemini AI and the rest, they will create a number of videos for you and then ask you to upgrade to the paid plan. But with this AI, you don't need to upgrade to anything to create videos. You can create unlimited number of pictures using this AI for free, and the pictures are top notch. Take a very good look at this picture on your dashboard. A young man standing by the roadside talking to a cab driver in a car parked in his front. Look at the young man, look at the cab driver, and look at the car. Very, very attractive, very eye-catching. And this picture was generated for free. More pictures like this will be generated for free using this AI. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for visiting Home of Updates. Stay blessed.